just sitting at my gate waiting. I don't look the cutest right now, so let's not judge. But I'll update y'all when I get on the plane. And honestly, I'm not that tired as I thought I would be. I did sleep for like 2 hours or an hour when I was at Jordan's. And now I'm just here waiting. And we don't start boarding until like 6:35. It's probably 6 now, but yeah. Okay, I have touched down in Miami. Looking for that hoochie daddy. I'm currently waiting for Nala to come get me. I don't know why my face looks so fat and cinematic. Like, it's really sick. Like, I feel ugly. But I know I'm not ugly. I had got my bag from the baggage claim. So, I'm just waiting on her. And I'll update y'all when she pull up in that. Oh, yeah, she got an Audi, I forgot. Guess who hit me up?
Hola! Bro, I thought when you texted me, you said that your flight was at 9, so I looked at the pictures you sent me. I was like, oh, so she leaves at 9, she gets here at 11 something. So I set my alarm for 9:30 to go back to my place and clean. And I saw your text and you were like, I'm in Miami. And I was like, why would she say that before she got here? And I looked at your location and I was like, oh, she's here.
You're
like, she got here at 9. So
where were you at?
Oh.
The skin, she look a little raggedy right now, but she's very beautiful. And I love this girl. If y'all don't know who this is Nala.
Keep repeating this when I look better, bro.
I've been looking at a mess too. But yeah, we'll update y'all when we actually do something. Because it's 9 o'clock in the morning. We have arrived. Why is it so close?
Huh?
Is it messy?
A little bit. Sorry.
Not those, what's them called? Them duck boots? Whatever. What are those? Golden. Yeah, those are.
Yeah.
Those were yours?
Yeah.
You wear them things?
I've been to that thing.
Those are ugly. This is the view. Cute. Atlanta apartments could never.
It's small, but
it's cute.
sorry, I meant to have my bed made and stuff for you.
This the view from her apartment. Cute outside, very cute. You know, that's a booty. Got this. Got that. Got some broken candles. We up from our nap. It was very nice. And now we're trying to see if we can get on a yacht. And none of these niggas have accepted our request. And I feel like that's kind of racist. So the step to do now is probably get ready and go to the beach for plan B for now. But she's still searching. And I know I look crazy. Okay, we up and we geeked. We are getting ready to go to the beach, and then we're gonna get on a yacht maybe around like 5 or 6. I wanted to do a getaway with me, but I didn't bring my little stand to put y'all up. But we got on black today. She got on 10.
I love staring at my. She gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Is you gonna play it or you gonna sing it?
Well, I didn't want to interrupt your video.
My lips are dry. I'm gonna put some on.
I love staring at my bitch. She gorgeous. I love staring at my kid. She's gorgeous.
This is cinematic.
Gorgeous. You gorgeous. Gorgeous. You gorgeous. Gorgeous. You gorgeous.
See what he said, trying to see what they beat back from the 200. We been on the hot block. Get a hot block. But you cooking no shit in the crap.
We out there, beat. We are currently on the way to
The beach. South Beach, I'm coming for you.
Wait, we're going to South Beach.
You don't want to go to South Beach?
Guys, I changed my outfit because we decided to get on the yacht today instead of go to the beach because there was no parking. We was trying to find parking for like 30 minutes. So this is what I wanted to wear. Nala is looking beautiful, but it's hot and my edges is not gonna last for the whole day. But we will give you a cute little montage. Maybe we'll sing some songs for you. Bye. Beauty is that's just your body.
Y'all be trying me, talking about my Ray-Ban.
Behind the scenes. It looks brighter.
I don't like this. I don't want pictures. I don't think. Wait, let me try one more. I know I don't like my hair like that.
Why you look so pretty on my phone?
Huh?
You look so pretty on my phone.
Thanks.
I'm
Can you take a phone
serious.
picture?
So I decided to get on jet skis. Be falling as soon as I step on it. You know what else happens? I get scraped the f up. I have nigga legs. I'm done. We done for today. Thank y'all for watching day 1. And we'll have redemption tomorrow.
On day 2.
My leg is.
She's okay, guys.
I already did that, bro. Good morning, guys. It's the second day in Miami. It's not really morning, it's really 11, but you know, I woke up at like 10. My stomach was hurting. Don't know why my stomach was hurting because I only ate once yesterday, really. Well, twice. I had like chicken and rice on the boat or whatever. Then I got back and I had pizza, but like, I don't know why my stomach was hurting because I wasn't doing anything yesterday. But this is my beautiful view. I'm finna make it like an omelet or something because my stomach really does hurt. But I do have stomach problems because I have acid reflux bad. Update, we're ready for the beach. I had this on previously, but I changed because we were going somewhere else and I wanted to change my bathing suit. Kind of weird, but it's just a me thing. So I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna take pictures. As soon as I take my pictures, this concealer is coming off. I just wanna look cute for Instagram, you know? So now, I'll update y'all when we get in the car. That's about it. We are waiting for our friend named, actually he doesn't have a name. But we're waiting and then we're gonna go to the beach. It won't stay, guys, I'm sorry. And then we're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna take my pictures real quick and fast because it feels like it's 101 degrees, he said. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to like look at my poses on my phone and yeah. And then I'll give y'all a cute little montage of the beach and me and Nala playing, running in the water in the sunset.
Little Ariel.
Who?
Little Ariel.
Yeah. I was talking about the Avatar movie and you know the Avatar movie, the new one?
The 3-hour one?
What is that?
She's in Spain. She said Spain McDonald's has wings. You can get wings and nuggets.
That looks disgusting. But yeah, the new one. Did you see that one?
No, I did not.
So you know it's new avatars, right? Like the lighter version. You know that, right? I was with Ben and I watched it and we was talking about the hairstyles and the girls, like the lighter new avatars, like the light blue ones, they got like the nice hairstyles. So like a bust down bohemian braids or like this, which you got, we would be like the lighter avatars. And they ate and I'm giving bust down
Per.
and skinny nappy though.
You can't even see me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's a bad angle. Sorry, y'all. I thought I was gonna say something and then like my mind blanked. So
yeah, we'll update y'all in a minute.
Oh, you went top off. Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roll it off.
I took my makeup off, y'all. Hopefully my pictures are A1 to the
I'm ready.
Oh, that's not happening.
Okay, I want to go to Clearwater.
Why is it not clear on this one?
Is everybody be here? I don't know. It's dirty.
Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went shitting down pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want to wall it out my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I want to play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you trying to steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field and the field. Hey, you want to steal in the spill. Hey, you my real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo, yo.
We finna go to Din Din. I just wanna do a outfit check. So, my top, my skirt, my Gucci clogs. Cause I don't think I can do it from afar. Let's see. Maybe I can. Not really. Now I'm gonna show you her feet. What? You gotta show them your feet. We only got a 15-minute grace period. Well, I'm gonna wait till she get ready. But we're finna go to this place called Coco. It's a Mexican restaurant in Miami. So if you come to Miami and you want a Mexican restaurant, you can go there. But I don't know if it's good or not yet because we haven't, tried it. But I think it's gonna be good. I think I want a salad with like salmon in it. Or like shrimp. Oh no. She has on a green dress. And we both got on Gucci. But mine's like cream, hers is white.
Not too close on the toes.
Oh. It's okay. She's pretty though. The little ducks. They ducks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. They're cute.
My bad.
You better hurry up.
That's embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing with the vlog scene? You make content. It's a nigga walking to the car, y'all. I gotta go. Is it busting? We cleared our plates. Right.
You want gray wall?
Yeah. How we rate the food today?
It was like a 7 out of 10.
It was busting, but yeah, it didn't give me enough salad, but I'm full. This place is so pretty, y'all. I don't know what it is.
Are we able to take a picture? Thank you. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Where are we taking it? Yeah, I don't know my shoes, but like, I feel like it's just like not as close. Yeah. Behind the scenes, fine.
You got a little bit closer. You can stop right at my shoe. Can I try a corner spot? And then I'll go.
Okay. She thick like me. Nala thick. She's not thick though. But she got a little plump. Ooh, with stain. Do it stain? It's sticky. Okay, we finna get in the car.
Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a...
The foodie is here. She's starving today.
I ate.
She ate little pizza bites.
But like I just ate that and that was my, like I was hungry so I couldn't wait and I didn't want to spend a lot of money here anyways, so I like had to eat that before we left because that was my first meal of the day and it was like 3 o'clock. So I'm fine.
How do you feel though?
I feel good. Like I'm not like hungry. I'll probably be hungry by the time we get back and then I'll eat like some of my leftovers.
We just finished eating. This vlog is very like everywhere. I feel like it is. But all I've been spending money on is food. And the restaurant was cute or whatever. It was, I only spent like $24. Yesterday I spent 40 something. And this restaurant more expensive. How that work? But it's the feet. I had on pink heels. They were cute. Now we can get in the car. And I've been tired every day. But I'm out here in Miami. If y'all know a sugar daddy, let me know. This is my addiction. I just got this from Publix. And we went to get strawberries and chocolate. She's slaving over here. Yeah, and this flavor is actually good. It's lemon berry and it's bussin'. Ignore my edges, please.
What does that taste like? Is that like a tea flavor?
Like, what are you saying? Like, what is it similar to?
Yeah, would you like to compare that to a taste of like tea?
No, I would say apple cider, but no, listen. Like it's like not, it don't taste like apple cider, but if you get a different flavor, then it probably would, because this one actually tastes good. But apple cider is disgusting. I can't drink that. It's just similar. It's like berry, like bubbly. So
I don't like bubbly drinks.
we're making chocolate covered strawberries to Kiki and watch a movie.
Okay, so make sure you dry your strawberry. Okay. And then you grab it by the stem and you just do a little twist around so you can get on the plate. You try.
Let me try.
Don't be roughhousing the strawberry. Girl, dip it low. Get the sides.
Okay.
Like, look at your strawberry. Okay, and then dip it. Like, let it drip.
Let it
I
drip.
just suck at this.
Girl,
You need to practice your strawberry making skills.
I let it drip. I let
Okay,
it
now you're
drip.
good. Girl, and why you gonna mess up the thing? Put it in a goddamn circle.
Bruh, no one's trying to make it look
So you
pretty.
can have the most things. Like, if you just press a random, you're not gonna be able to fit none on here. Make the most use out of your space. I'm gonna play by my strawberries.
A bit silly. Girls are extra, y'all. I ain't a girl though. Well, I'm a girl, but I'm not one of them. Not when it comes to food, because I'm gonna eat it anyway.
Yeah, you see, y'all see, she already stopped. She's not even doing nothing.
Well, your fingers are big.
There's room for 2 hands in this bowl.
This bowl's tiny. I got that big bag. Don't mind my fatness. It's in on my food. You know what it is?
A little bit on that one.
This one looks like it's not gonna be good. It don't look juicy. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done, because it's been 5 minutes. We have finished the strawberries and now we're finna watch a movie.
79%.
What picture from who?
That's putting all into my time with you. Putting all into my time with you. My time with you. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. Driving undercover. Are we still good? Are you down for the cause? You still down? You still down? You still down?
Chicago.
the morning after. I'm feeling real good, decent. She's giving skinny. Yeah. I'm being federal for my vlog right now. But I will update y'all later if we do anything. She wants sushi, I think. I don't know if she still wants feet. We on our chill today. This the vibes. Let's get into the eats. Got the orange chicken, Mongolian steak, bourbon chicken. She got her steak burrito with every single thing in it.
And it's good too.
And it's huge. We're watching another movie today. So today was my last day here, and all I did was chill and get ice cream. I didn't do anything crazy, just a chill little day. And I got my little kombucha in my cup. It's currently like 11 something. No, it's 12 something at night. I lied. I really had fun. Like, I enjoyed myself, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. My flight tomorrow leaves at 10 something in the morning, so I'll just check in with y'all tomorrow morning. And I love y'all guys. Y'all made it this far. Y'all a real win. I know this vlog was everywhere. I'm so sorry, but I hope you enjoyed it because I had a fun time doing this. All right, bye. See you in the morning. Y'all, I literally got Burger King, and it was $11 for literally a breakfast sandwich, some hash browns that just fell, and orange juice. Like, that's so crazy to me. But I'm waiting here until we start boarding, so I have like a whole other hour. But if y'all watched this far, thank you so much, and I hope y'all enjoyed it.